Don't miss this Slipstream Blue Metallic 2017 Chevrolet. Make a great choice today with this must-have Ford Rams car. Learn more about this Ford Rams car by contacting the dealership today and own it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
The all-new Daytona Nissan. We make it easier. Easier because 19 acres of 1,000 new Nissans means we have the right vehicle for you. Easy to own because every new Daytona Nissan comes with a lifetime warranty. And easy to service because the state-of-the-art facility and express lane makes servicing any vehicle easier. Easy to enjoy free refreshments and Wi-Fi while the kids play. Waiting is quick and easy. Come check out the all-new Daytona Nissan just under the big flag at the Auto Mall. I-95 at LPGA Boulevard.
Make your move to Daytona Nissan.
At Daytona Nissan.